Sometimes you arrive at your plate spinning gig, and you don't have a stick, and that's where you're gonna have to know this trick, so tune in, because it's gonna get wild. This is how to start your plate without a stick. Looks like this. Pretty dope. So, what you're gonna need is not a stick. You're just gonna need a plate. This is like the only time I get to say that. You take this, you just yeet it out of there, because guess what? You don't need it. This is it. This is it. This is the thing that you need. This right here. All right, so we're gonna start by taking our, nope, yeet that stick out of there. We don't need that stick. Get it away, all right? Get it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't, get out of here. Oh. Get out. No, now here we go. So check it out. We're gonna take our plate. We're going to twist our wrist. As soon as we're done twisting our wrist, we're also keeping our fingers on the edge of the plate lip. If you can do this, you can do this trick. We're gonna take our hand like this. We're going to spin the plate. As we spin, we twist up, and then we catch it. It's very similar to the snap wind, actually, now that I'm thinking about it.
And ideally, you'll end up with your own hand like this.
I just had a moment.
Yes.
I just had a moment.
Yes.
Okay, so look, if you haven't seen the snap line, it's in a different video, but let's just get through this. We're gonna take our fingers, we're going to twist, we're going to then make a pointer finger. Make sure it's your index finger, okay? Make sure it's your index finger, otherwise people are gonna get mad. So check it out. We're gonna twist and then catch. Make sure that your finger comes down with the plate. That makes it easier to catch it on the plate. And that is how to start a spinning plate without your stick. Like, share, and subscribe. And get that stick out of here.